Alright, it's day 31 of the 100 Days of Making Comics challenge, which is where you're supposed to spend 30 minutes a day, minimum, working on your own personal comic project for 100 days consecutively, and then post about it on social media. I'm Joshua Kemble, and I'm working on my graphic novel, Quarterly Stories, which is a graphic novel about faith and mental illness, and it's a very personal story to me that I hand write, hand letter, hand ink, and then hand to you, hopefully someday in print. But until that day, it's available serialized online at quarterlystories.com, or you can find it by going to tapas.io and searching for Quarterly Stories, and then if you have the time and are so inclined, adding it to your library, which helps me gain more readership for the comic. So, all of that spiel aside, today is Sunday. Tonight is an NCS meeting, which is the National Cartoonist Society. I'm in the LA chapter, and I'm a member. And there's a meeting tonight, and so that should be pretty fun. And I was initially going to have that footage or talk about it on this vlog, but I think instead, since it's the morning, I'm going to show you the 3 panels that I inked this morning, first thing, and then I'm going to call it a day for day 31. So if I get any footage tonight, I'll put it on day 32's vlog. And part of why I was thinking about that was one of the things this challenge is reminding me of is the sustainability of continual work. And one of the ways to make work that's continuous and on a daily basis a sustainable, buildable habit is by setting realistic expectations and trying to beat those expectations. But what I realized is I could actually, since it's a weekday or a weekend, I don't have to wait till like late at night to get my comic work done. Usually that's my only window during the weekday. But since it's a weekend, I've decided this morning I would knock out, I think I inked 3 panels, which sounds like a lot, but the style that I'm inking this page in is fairly quick because of the fact that it's like an airplane instruction manual, so it's mostly contour line. And so that cuts my inking time by like less than, by a lot, basically. I was going to say the math, and my brain is just not there. So, if you noticed over here kind of something strange happening, it's because Bernie, this guy is one of my dogs, is getting all snuggly. And then my other dog, CK, is sleeping on the couch over there. So anyhow, yeah, that's why you watch this comic vlog, to see more information on my dogs. So anyhow, I'm gonna show you now the progress that I made this morning, and then I'm gonna edit this really quick and get it up on YouTube and call it a day for day 31 of the 100 Days of Making Comics. And that way I can enjoy the NCS meeting tonight without any worries of getting this thing uploaded or getting my 100 days in when I get home, because I've already gotten it done. Alright, so let me show you the stuff. Alright, so this is the first panel, this is the second panel, third panel, and that's where I was last time. So this is what I've managed to ink. I think so far it's looking very much like a generic airplane instruction manual, so I'm feeling pretty good. And like I said, it goes really quick because these are just contour lines. So that's pretty exciting because I literally have only 6 panels left to ink, and they shouldn't take an incredibly long amount of time. But definitely got more than my 30 minutes in today, and that'll do it. Okay, so that'll wrap it up for my 100 Days of Making Comics for day 31. And I just actually, before I kind of close out, I just wanted to throw out the question to you guys. Like, have you found, like, especially everybody on YouTube who's also undergoing the 100 Days challenge, have you found that, like, a little bit into the challenge, you've had to kind of modify your own expectations for your own delivery and what you can accomplish in a day in order to kind of keep it sustainable and repeatable? And if not for the 100 days, just for any positive habit you tried to build. Basically, have you had to kind of, while being ambitious, also try to kind of measure it out so that you don't pretty much burn out. I'm curious what you guys have to say about that. Other than that, thanks to those of you who've liked, shared, commented, and you know, basically even disliked these videos. It means a lot. It helps the channel grow, and yeah, that'll pretty much do it. I feel weird finishing this in the morning, but I think that's actually a good thing. All right, I will see you guys tomorrow.